Alright guys, this is Snow from Just Like Exotic. So in this video we're gonna be showing you how we do ceramic coating for this specific car. The package that we're doing is gonna be the Signature Plus, which is 7-year coating. Once we bring it inside, we're gonna show you the inside out and the actual aftermath of the vehicle. Alright guys, you can see what we're doing right now is doing the decontamination process. So first thing we gotta do is clay board. Take all the contaminants that we have in the paint, add in some clay lubricant so it glides through the paint, and feel it to feel it that it's rough. And once you take it off, it should be pretty smooth. So let's take a look at the clay. I feel it already very smooth right now in this section of the vehicle. Let's take a look, and this is what it comes out once you do a contamination. All that gunk, all that is inside the pores. Now that we have the vehicle inside the garage, we're gonna be spraying some isopropyl alcohol. So technically what it is, a 50% distilled water and 50%, 99% alcohol. So this is necessary in order to eliminate any oils, any kind of posturing that is in the paint for the ceramic to completely cure in and harden in a clear coat. So watch for more. Next, we'll start in by pouring the ceramic coating on the microfiber suede. This is necessary in order to have a complete primed surface before we start applying it. Once you have it all primed up, what we're going to be doing is always starting from top to bottom, straight lines, and doing a cross-hatch pattern. This is necessary in order to get an even product dispersed all around the panel, and also to reduce the possibility of having high spots. It is necessary to use a respirator or a mask, since the fumes that this product gives out is no good. You don't want to have those toxic fumes over your lungs. Once we're done, we let it sit for about 30 seconds. Again, this has to do about your environment. In our specific shop, it's an AC controlled environment. So it's 30 seconds, wait down, let it cure in, get that rainbow effect. You gotta come back and start wiping it off with a brand new fresh microfiber towel. Start wiping off with one side, flip it, wipe it off again. And just to be on the safe side, we also get another different towel to the final wiping. This is gonna, 100% give us the risk-free of having any high spots on the car once it completely cures in. Remember, this product, once it cures in, it's very hard. You're gonna see that difference, and that's why we take those precautions in order to get a perfect ceramic coating installation. That's exactly what we mean. If you can see on the red circle, there's a hard line between a glossier finish, a darker finish, and the part that hasn't been ceramic coated. If we don't drop down those high spots, you're gonna have a hard line, as you can see. That's why it's important to knock off those high spots. Also, we're doing the ceramic coating for the interior of the vehicle. That includes the seats, the dash, the center console. Applying the ceramic coating to the door panels, and it doesn't change the appearance, so you're not gonna get any sheen, so it's not gonna change how it feels as well. It's very gonna be matte finish and no any slick. I'm gonna apply it right here. One of the main tools that we carry in our shop is a gloss meter. This measures the reflectivity that's going through the paint and bouncing back with the light. It's gonna help you a lot seeing how much of an increase in gloss and shine the paint has when you apply that ceramic. Remember, this car came in with low 80s, 83, 82, and back when we applied the ceramic, it came with 95.6. In this specific package is Signature Plus 7-year ceramic coating. It includes the windshield, the side windows, and the rear glass ceramic coated. It's gonna help you a lot, especially when it's gonna be raining, water is gonna be flying off your glass, making it way easier to see through. And as well, you don't have to use your wiper as much, so you're saving on that as well. At the same time, it's gonna help you, especially in South Florida where we have high minerals deposited on the water. You're not gonna have those hot water rain spots on the window. Installation is about the same with the paint, always a straight line and then cross hatch pattern to decrease those high spots and level it down. Awesome, so now you can see how the signature 7-year ceramic coating looks like in this vehicle, protecting against UV exposure, chemical, and environment fallout. Please take a look.